What advice would you offer law school students?
Um, I think the best advice I would give is find somebody smarter than you and get them to study with you. And just as a general principle in life, I've always tried to surround myself with people smarter, more capable, people I could learn from, people who had different ideas and opinions than I did. Um, if you can see how other people, I'm not very good at coming up with stuff on my own, but I'm a good copier. So if I found somebody who could find a way to do well, whether it was in school or in business or in life, just in general, and try and pattern my actions after them, I found that was a pretty effective way to do better than I was currently doing. So, as a law student, you come in and you really don't know what's going on. You don't know how to study the law. You don't know how it works, and so it's important to find somebody who does. And then if you can find somebody who's more intelligent or smarter than you, that will push you to do a little better. So if you want to do well in law school, that's what I'd suggest.
My advice for surviving, I think a lot of law students might laugh and roll their eyes and think, gosh, this guy was a huge dork. But I briefed every single case through all 3 years of law school. Most law students, I think, maybe make it a semester. And I'm a big believer, time on task. And I think as a law student and as a lawyer, generally speaking, the person who puts the most time in does the best. And to me, that meant reading every case, briefing every case, and being prepared for class. I know many law students are going to hear this and think, one, you're crazy, and that's crazy. But I, it sort of just goes to that time on task, like put as much work as you can in, and at least at the end of the day, I've done all I could do to do the best that I can, and that's all you can do.